Well, that's no good. Hello people of the world, it's me Mr. Muck UK1. As you just saw in that previous clip, this is not working. So I've got to take the door pan off again and see what's happened. So let me get my tools and put my drinks on. Got my tools. So yeah, kind of annoying that this is now broken again. So let's see what size screw it is. Yeah, so another video to make. I'll make this video. I realised it the other day when someone's in the back and I thought the child lock was on. But it turns out the child lock wasn't on. I went to test it out, it didn't work. So, just taking some screws off. So much saying service due. On the that's weird, doesn't fit in there. Someone's lunch just came out of my car. So that explains why. Found the coat, found it, I found why, sorry. So I bring you across. So, and then so as you can see, this cable here weren't attached, it's meant to be attached somewhere here. So I think I've done it. Well, that was an easy fix. And now I've got to put this back on, which is going to be interesting. Before I don't want to that's child lock on. No, it still doesn't work. No, I'm locked out of my car. Work. Well, that didn't work. So let's take this back off again. So as you can see, the door panel is off. Look at this speaker. Well, hold on. before I break anything more. Right, okay. That's done, that's out. So sorry about the jerkiness. So obviously this is your motor here. This was the Gopro that wasn't clipped into the inside. But look at this speaker. Look how knackered it is. So that is it's coming apart in my hand. I've just actually turned the speakers off, actually, the rear one, so it's actually, I don't know really. I could unplug it, but I might have to do that. So you're back on the tripod now. Let's actually unplug this stupid speaker. Because that speaker is ruined. Because they're riveted in, I can't really do anything about it. So you can't see me now. It's better. So obviously here your speaker is fucked. I almost like a photo of that because that's really Now I could, whilst I got the door panel, change the speaker, rear speaker, but I haven't actually got any rear speakers for the car. Plus, I need to get these rivets out somehow. So this is quite interesting. So this plug here is for the light underneath, which is this here, which is that there. I do want to actually change it to VW logo. So my friend's got a Passat CC. Look at all this stuff in here actually. So they're the original speakers for the car. Wow. All the original stickers. So I've got to kind of work out what's going on here. I see, so, okay. So here, I don't know if you can see here, there's a little gap there, which is, that's got to go in. And, got to try and work this out. Of course it's raining, isn't it? Bloody rain. I hope it's going to stop. Right, okay, so I think the first thing we should do is plug the light back in and then go from there. So, oh, I'm just now blocking your view. The light's back in and the light is on. So I've now got to work out I've got to work out how to do this. You didn't see none of that, did you? So I'm hopefully done it. So that feels a lot better now. So. Now I've got to try and get this door panel back on. Hey. Let's see if it works. Hey! I actually fixed something. I'm impressed. I'm learning. The more things I'm doing, I'm actually learning. So let's put all this stuff back and then quite a fun little video. So that was easy to say. Easy. I'll say it was easy. Easy-ish. I'm quite actually impressed that I actually managed to fix something. It was quite actually straightforward, which is it normally is, and otherwise you end up paying the garage lots of money to fix it. Because obviously I would have, if I couldn't have fixed it, I would have got the garage to do it. But I like to have a go at things myself. So once you put your mind to it, you actually know what you're doing. Because last time I took this door panel off, I should have recorded. When I got this car, this button wasn't working, and it was to do with the plug weren't plugged in. Talking of which, before I do everything else, make sure it works. Yeah, this button actually wasn't working, and it wasn't till when I kind of broke down and ran out of diesel, I noticed the light weren't on, so I took it all off and it weren't plugged in. So that's all it was. That's all it was. It was quite easy doing this. I'm really impressed. I only figured it out the other day because my friend was in the back and he couldn't get out the car. I thought, oh, the child lock's on for some reason. So I undid it, didn't think nothing of it. And my other friend was in the back and she couldn't get out the car. I thought, oh, I thought child lock was on. It wasn't until I wrote it yesterday. It wasn't working. Oh, there goes the desk. One more. Where is it? There it is. This car needs a clean. I'll give it a valet. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, one more thing I forgot to do. There you go. All on now. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video, whichever it may be. I have no idea yet.